So great news, all of you fellow Lightning and Mach-e owners. So according to Jim Farley, the CEO of Ford, it is almost time. They are actually going to send for free, so it's all complimentary, adapters, so you're going to be able to use the Tesla Superchargers. So this is not fake news. This is the real deal. I saw some things popping up about it on Facebook and other social media, and I was just like, hey, I want to check this out. So this is actually on the Ford website. They have copied over and pasted Jim Farley's X post, and he said, when we announced Ford EVs would get access to Tesla Superchargers, I said we'd send customers a fast charging adapter. That is what I remember. Then you heard all of this stuff happening. They're not going to send it. It's going to cost money. So he's clarifying that he actually did communicate that, and that's true. And he said, I'm pleased to confirm that eligible Mustang Mach-e and F-150 Lightning owners in the US and Canada can reserve a complimentary adapter starting soon. So this is true. I just wanted to put my 2 cents in here that I really think that this is going to be a good thing. I'm going to put a link below in the description for when I actually charged at a Tesla Supercharger, because right now you can, if it is a Tesla Supercharger equipped with a Magic Dock. So I found one a little north of Denver, and I went ahead and tested that out. You can watch the video and see how that goes. It's supposed to allow us to charge at a lot more Tesla Superchargers that are not necessarily equipped with the Magic Dock. I really don't know all the details on that yet, but I will try to keep you updated as soon as I find out more, like how it's going to work. Are we going to do it through the Ford app? I'm not fully sure yet, but I have heard that they're going to be making it available where you can do it through the Ford app, where it's going to be just a simple plug and play. I think that'll be great. If that does work, we'll see. But I just wanted to let you know that it is true. They are going to be doing that, sending it complimentary, and it's saying that they're going to be doing it in the spring. And it says here, this is still from Ford's site, customers would gain access to Tesla Superchargers across the US and Canada beginning spring of 2024. So spring this year. What that means, I don't know. People's interpretation of spring is different. Here in Colorado, spring is more of a teaser, like, you know, right before second winter happens or whatever. So we'll see if that happens. So basically, yeah, that's what happens here in Colorado. You got spring that comes up, boom, it's, you know, it's great, you know, leaves are starting to change, and then all of a sudden more snow again, and then summer. So that's kind of how it works. But anyways, we will see what their interpretation of spring is. So my interpretation, what I think that means is they'll have it ready to go by April, but we will see how this all works. So again, Ford F-150 Lightnings and Mustang Mach-es are gaining access this spring to a lot of Tesla Superchargers. I don't know if it's all of them or what, but it says several across the across North America here. So or at least in the US and Canada, and we're supposed to get a complimentary adapter to be able to take care of that. So I'll keep you updated as soon as I find out more, but I wanted to let you know that it is confirmed that they are doing that. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated on the charging merge between Tesla and Ford.